Yeah, this is dope. I need a boat. Look at this guy. You trying to jump it? What's up, guys? It's Stickers, back with another video. Right now we are on our way to our first little San Diego event slash ride. Not exactly sure what it is, how it is. Yeah, we'll see. It is a Friday evening, 3 o'clock afternoon, so not sure how busy it's going to be, being that, like I said, it's a Friday. We are going to be going to Cars and Coffee with a group tomorrow. We're going to be going up to San Clem, which is an often ride, an event that we often go to, that you guys see, but going the opposite directions. Instead of us going south, we are going to be going north this time, so that will be a different view for you guys, which should be cool. Some different bikers to ride with there. Hopefully it's a good day at South OC, because it is a good, decent ride from down here. It's about an hour. Versus up north, it's a little more than an hour, I think. I think it's like an hour 15, hour 20 from down here. When, for us, it's normally 35-ish minutes on the bike without traffic. So, hopefully it's a good day. If not, I'm going to be mad. It's going to be cold. I got to leave at 5:45 from the meetup spot, which is about 15 minutes north of me. So, it's going to be freezing. I'm thankful that I brought down my leathers, because I would not be happy. I will make sure my ventilated zippers are up, because it's going to be nippy. Hopefully it's not too foggy, but we will see. I wonder if our biker's going where we're going. What we got? R6, turn left. I wonder if you're going. It looks like a stunter. Yeah. Found us a little buddy, it looks like. And I guess we're going to that lot, which it looks like there's a good amount of bikers there right now. Let's make sure we're all good. Now we're recording. It is warming up, which is good. Struggling. I don't know if my camera placement changed drastically recently, because I have been struggling to flip open my visor with the camera on for some reason without having to bend it. I don't know what happened recently to my visor or my camera setup before I was able to, but recently I have not been able to, so it's been weird. But yeah, it looks like there's actually a good amount of bikes. They got a full videographer out here. Yeah, we'll go check out the bikes here in a second. Just gonna get gas because we did get here close to the time they want to leave. So we're gonna quickly fill up, walk around, maybe meet some people real quick before we take off. Well, it looks like we're empty. I can't see it, so that means it's not very full. Oh, what are you doing, buddy? Why are you squirting everywhere? Yeah, you're empty. Over $2, or at least more than half empty. I don't know why it's struggling so much today to fill up without squirting everywhere. Just tap this, get rid of some of that. Wipe it off. I'll wipe it better right now after we park, but put that on. I don't need this. I don't think they're dipping out just yet. I don't even think we recognize anybody from down here. At least I don't recognize any bikes. It's decent. Well, alright, we'll walk and take a look. R6, woo! That Gixxer looking, Harley, Ninja 400. Ooh, CBR. Looks like my same year. Another Gixxer, R7, Gixxer R7. R1 with a stretch, okay. A lot of R6s out here. 19? So it's an 1100 factory. I just have the aftermarket. It's the satin black one that comes factory. Yeah, so it's an 11.
I had a 14. Before I got this one, I wanted a different kit, but I looked at the Aprilia, but at the time, Aprilia was having a lot of issues with them.
So you have to go 19 plus. 19 plus is when they finally get rid of that electrical issue they've had.
Yeah.
So 19 plus, And if you do find one, it has to be over like 3,000 to 5,000 miles, because if they are going to have problems, they have them early. That's all I can say. And the factories are way... The RG4?
Yeah.
Well, that one has a good amount, so that's why it's extra ridiculous. It has velocity stack, sprint filter, so it's a little obnoxious, but yeah, it's close. The R1 is... They found... My buddy has the same setup, exhaust-wise, on his R1, and when they're next to each other...
They're just about...
Yeah, they're really similar. What's your name?
Jess. Pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
But yeah, no, we got some good bikes here. Ooh, the newer 600s. A big old Busa with the big body. 400. Here's some more stuff. Stunters. A naked bike. I don't know what that is. Oh, purple. There's a couple. Nothing too crazy. Got all the stunters out here. I guess I should have brought my 360 with me if all these stunters are going to be here. Could have got some cool clips of the 360 with the stunters. Surprisingly, I feel like more than up in northern Southern California, there's a lot more female riders. We get ours, and a lot of them are on smaller bikes versus everybody up north, I feel like, has big bikes, which we have our big bike friends. We have our S1K friend down here, which might pull up, might not. Chelina. If not, we'll see her probably soon down here to go ride. But yeah, no, there's a good amount of dope bikes down here. Alright guys, so we just went through the little riders meeting. Cool thing is we're going to go through, go over the bridge and then Coronado's Island, which is cool. I did that a long time ago at an Origins Mexico night down here. And luckily I was one of the front cars. I was gapping everybody, you know, on our CTSV. You could probably actually there's a vlog of that. You could go scroll forever and find that video forever ago if you guys want to. But they shut down the Coronado Island Bridge with all the supercars, which was crazy. So we're gonna check that out. I think it's like Origins SD Mexico Run or something like that. I don't remember exactly. Maybe I can find it and get it linked. Oh my god. Damn, what? 2-cylinder. Well, we met a buddy over here. We're gonna probably stick with him. He said stick to the front because there's a lot of idiots. He said in San Diego, if all these people are here, 100%, at least probably 60% of them are idiots. I was like, oh, that's great. Good to know. We are probably gonna be, oh, you know what? Our phone is in our back pocket. We don't want it there. We did get to talk to him about his Alpine Star. Next week I will be going to finally pick mine up and do my full ride and review because I got my new Cardo coming in. Got it picked up. Thank you. Huge shout out to Cardo and Taylor over there, or Tyler at Cardo. He's hooking it up with a new Pack Talk Pro, which has crack detection and a few other things. It mounts with the Pack Talk Edge mounting brackets and stuff, which is awesome. So I don't have to buy all new mounts for all of my helmets. As you guys know, I have a problem. I've bought in quite a few too many. But yeah, no, so our Pack Talk Pro with crash detection and 45mm speakers is coming in soon. He just got it sent to us, so we will be doing an install review and ride with it on our new Alpine Star R10. But I guess we're squeezing everybody in. Smell a lot of illegal exhaust emissions. Oh well, that probably helps right there with it right in front of me. We got our Icon squids out here. I'm a fancy squid with an airbag, a little different. Where we got our one buddy back there. All right, let's get moving. Let's get it hot. Look at this guy. Some burnouts out here. Ooh, getting smoked out. Can't see, can't smell. Got to open the visor. Oh, we got two more showing up late. How late are they? Oh, we're only leaving 7 minutes late. That's actually not bad. I was expecting if we were going to leave late. Usually these rides don't leave any earlier than like 35-40 minutes late, so. She's cold, so she's struggling to find neutral. Our bike is running hot from sitting there idling. Come on. We need to get some airflow before this baby starts overheating on us. Alright, keep us safe, keep us protected, because this looks like it's going to be a little hectic. Hopefully you guys know where they're going, because I don't know now to get to Coronado Island. Yeah, this is a good amount of bikes. Looks like it's going to be a cool little ride. I guess all these stunting guys, that would have been fun to take hard. It was smooth, take that, drag a little bit of knee. Yeah, a lot of traffic. Yeah, just like that. That's what that guy was saying. 60% out of the people here are definitely going to be idiots, so we're trying to stay close to the front. Another Italiano in this Pista. I go back and forth if I buy another bike. If I would want to get another V4, this model I would get would be an S if I did. Or maybe get the new dual swing arm one just because of the performance aspects. If I want a look pretty bike, I got that bike right here. But the performance on the new one was pretty insane. So if I bought a new bike, that or an H2, I go back and forth. I would love both of them, but that's not realistic. Oh, home! Hey guys, we're going to hit in the 5 North now. We are on our way home. The place where I belong. I don't know the rest of the song. Oh wow, then out here, R1 buddy. That wasn't a bad wheelie though. He said he didn't know how to wheelie, but I wouldn't say that was terrible. Come on, little buddy. All these 2-cylinders out here, get in the way. We got our burbles. Oh, we're going over Coronado. Alright. This is actually dope. Like I said, if you watch that video, we made it past the stopping point, and they shut down the bridge, which was pretty crazy. So they shut down the bridge, and half of the cars got stuck up there, and they were just ticketing everybody. Well, if you don't view, this is our San Pedro Bridge. You guys have seen me go over that a number of times when I do my shoots down there. They got some beautiful areas right there at the port. Definitely got to get out and explore with you guys more. Get to see some of these nice new San Diego spots. Oh, this is dope. I need a boat. What do you guys think? Tell the bike, buy a little boat. Oh, it's the coffers. I wouldn't be surprised if they turn around after seeing all these bikes and pull somebody over. I would bet money on that. They're not beautiful, guys. I think we're going to go Coronado. I know it's an island, Coronado Island, but I don't know what's over here. It's a little nippy to be going to the beach, though. When do they sometimes charge to go through here? I thought you couldn't wheelie that low. That was not bad, the one on the freeway. A little bit. It looks like we stuck together pretty well, though. Nobody's pulled over, so that means there shouldn't be anybody crashed, which is good. Everybody revving. They're so funny. Hey, you know what? That is an R62. That's just like our boy Colby's. Our bro got grips on his seat. Should we put him on to Peak Design? Our boy next to us got quad lock, but yeah, Coronado is a nice little island. Feel like this street gives me Balboa Island vibes in Newport. MT-07 over there. Are we turning or what are we doing? Yeah, I'm lost, guys. Wonder if this is like our Newport, because all these guys were doing wheelies and around earlier. Oh, this guy looks like he's about to do another one. It's like that yellow bike. That's exactly why I don't do group rides. Oh, we about to pop one up right here? This stunter? Okay. Maybe one day I'll learn how to wheelie, guys. Maybe one day. But that day is not today. This is a dope little... Oh, look, you can see all the ships. All the naval ships. This reminds me of our PCH right by Huntington Seal Beach. Oh, hey, up there. Oh. Yeah, bro's nice with it. He Nice. Alright. I'll be in I think it's a ZX6. Coronado might be a big island. You trying to jump it? Everybody saw that one dude. I don't even think he was in America. The dude in Europe that was jumping his bike. Boom, boom. I swear, at least one ride, not even one ride, but quite often you see somebody trying to jump their bike. Hey, he's getting it up there. Looks like we lost some people. Bro's up there, dancing with it. Oh, DX4RR. Alright, I guess we got us a little run. We got a clean ass lowrider. You know. That's clean. You did? Okay, I was like, I don't know where the f I'm going. I guess what we go through to give somebody the gapple sauce. We'll talk to him after. Alright guys, well, that's a wrap to this. It wasn't really too much of a ride. What do I feel like? Oh, it's my hat. It was just small, but it was a cool little ride. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, we got all the trucks. Deuces.